Main ideas is that contemporary clinical trials are very costly. They involve huge number of patients. They should be organized in many clinical sites in many countries. That's why there are actually several different directions when we start to design clinical trial. This is statistical design, which related to calculating number of patients should be involved in the trial, but we are not working on this. Another is operational design, because when sample size is set, say 1,000 patients, for example, the main question how to organize this trial, how we can enroll 1,000 patients, because you should do it in many countries, in many clinical sites, and this is the main problem really, how we do it efficiently, in time, and efficiently from the point of cost. That's actually directions that we are working mainly in our data science. And one area, this is operational design of recruitment. Because the recruitment of patients in clinical trials, this is the main drive actually, and if recruitment is inefficient, trial will not be completed in time, which leads to probably major like inconsistencies, etc. Well, and I presented in this talk the basic methodology related to how to model patient recruitment based on Poisson gamma model, how to predict recruitment for future, and how to arrange also cost-efficient recruitment design. There are actually some different sub-directions how to use clinical prediction of enrollment at the beginning when we still do not have real data. Then we use historical data and quite sophisticated models to predict future rates in the clinical trials. Then also when we have interim stage, we will have real data, and using this real data we can use statistical estimation and also predict future recruitment. Another area also optimal design of recruitment, how many clinical sites to enroll in which countries with the purpose to enroll a given number of patients in time with a given probability to complete recruitment. Well, and also there are some directions related to this. This is interim centralized statistical monitoring on clinical trials. So when we have already trial ongoing, we need to check how recruitment is going according to plan. If not, where are critical places, which sites are recruit good enough, which sites are recruit low, to predict and calculate unusual patterns of data. Well, and also interesting story about predicting different operational characteristics. And one of the main directions really here to predicting events in clinical trials, because events, we can say, like created over the recruitment. Patients are coming and then waiting in the trial until particular events happen. And the main problem here is to predict events together with ongoing recruitment. And this really is complicated, completely new, innovative methodology. This is also was done using different analytic tools, and we also have packages related to this. Well, this is basically the main steps and the directions that were discussed in my talk.